who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025. Right answer is option C, Mohan Lal, who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. Right answer is option A, MS Dhoni. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option B, Foundation to Educate Girls. Who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option A, Banu Mastak. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Nigeria. Which ISRO chief has been honored with the GP Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option C, V. Narayanan, who has been recently awarded the Pen Painter Prize 2025. Right answer is option B, Leela Abolela, who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025. Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odede, who won the Pen Translates Award for Once Elephants Lived Here. Right answer is option C, Gitanjali Sri, who has won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 2025. Right answer is option A, Percival Everett, who won the World Food Prize 2025 for her pioneering work in biological nitrogen fixation and sustainable agriculture. Right answer is option B, Dr. Marangela Hungria. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answer is option D, Chandrika Tandon, who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use. Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option A, Sri Lanka, who has been awarded the Ballon d'Or Award 2025 in the men's category. Right answer is option B, Osman Dembele, who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025. Right answer is option D, Liu Xiaokun of China, who has been awarded Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025. Right answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Vinod Kumar Shukla, who won the 59th Gyanpith Award, belongs to which state? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh, who won the Best Picture Award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025. Right answer is option B, Lapata Ladies, who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025. Right answer is option D, Opal Suchata Chuangsri, who was conferred with the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2025. Right answer is option C, Sonu Nigam, who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025. Right answer is option A, Masaki Kashiwara, who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025. Right answer is option B, Bhadresh Das Swami, who has been awarded the National Kishore Kumar Award 2025. Right answer is option D, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Right answer is option A, Lisbon, who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025. Right answer is option C, R.K. Sri Ram Kumar, who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risk. Right answer is option B, Gunter Blossil. Which newspaper was awarded 2025 UNESCO's Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Right answer is option D, La Prensa, who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for peace and stability. Right answer is option C, Dalai Lama, who won the prestigious 2025 Food Planet Prize for its innovative green fertilizer technology. Right answer is option A, Nitro-capped Sweden, who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award. Right answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik, who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025. Right answer is option D, Narendra Modi. Which film has got India's official entry for the Oscar 2026? Right answer is option C, Homebound, who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman. Right answer is option A, Surya Bala, who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women's of the Year 2025 list. Right answer is option B, Purnima Devi Burman, who was honored with the Poli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025. Right answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environment Prize in 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 people. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Right answer is option A, Anora. Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarios III of which country? Right answer is option B, Cyprus, who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award in 2025. Right answer is option D, Inquise, who was awarded Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 2025 award. Right answer is option C, Armand Duplantis, who has won the World Press Photo of the Year 2025 award. Right answer is option A, Samar Abu Alof, who was honored with the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. Right answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar, who has received the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025. Right answer is option B, 12th fail, who has been awarded the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, the highest civilian honor of Ghana. Right answer is option C, Narendra Modi, who has become the first black woman to win the title of Miss World 2025. Right answer is option A, Shago Gale, who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025. Right answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma, who was honored with the 43rd Lok Manya Tilak National Award 2025. Right answer is option D, Nitin Gadkari, who was awarded the 2025 Writers Association Men's Footballer Award. Right answer is option C, Mohammad Salah, who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025. Right answer is option A, Jasprit Bumrah. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players, who became the first Indian origin musician to win American Music Award 2025. Right answer is option D, Raja Kumari, who has been awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025. Right answer is option C, Ram Sutar, who has been awarded the 2025 Digital Transformation Award in March 2025. Right answer is option A, RBI, who was awarded the French Civilian Honor Office of the Order of Arts and Letters. Right answer is option B, Payal Kapadia, who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government. Right answer is option D, Chiranjeevi, who has become the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association in 2025. Right answer is option C, Bhuvan Ribhu, who recently received the Most Influential Environmentalist Award on World Environmental Day 2025. Right answer is option A, Acharya Prasant. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? Right answer is option A, Rohini, Maharashtra. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.